our first unit is diodes and its applications, right? So yesterday we are all discuss about the diode and PN junction diode. Okay, so what is diode? A diode is a two-terminal device, and it allows only a one direction flow of current, right? So and it has a two electrodes, that is anode and cathode. And the diode is a combination of p-type silicon semiconductor and n-type silicon semiconductor. So in this n-type silicon semiconductor we are doping pentavalence atoms, right? And in p-type silicon semiconductor we are doping a trivalent impurities, right? So here we are combining the both n-type silicon semiconductor and as well as p-type semiconductor material, right? So this is called a diode. Okay, and next the diode symbol is a indicator like this. Why? Because the flow of direction only in a one direction, that's why they indicating the arrow mark direction. Okay, and next this is the real time diode. Here this diode we are mainly using in the practically in the experiments, right, in the lab. Here we are using this diode. So in this the silver coating is indicated as a negative, and this side the here indicating as a positive. Okay na? So here the diode have a two electrodes, right, anode and cathode. If we are applying the external voltage to through the anode and cathode, that is positive, then the diode is allows the flow of current. Okay na? So that is the forward condition. If we are applying the external voltage between the anode and cathode, that is negative, the diode will not allow the flow of current, right? So that is the reverse condition. Okay na? So this is the introduction of diode. And next, open circuited PN junction diode. So already I told now what is junction means. If we are adding both p-type silicon material and n-type silicon material. So here the see this figure. So here we are adding p-type material and as well as n-type material. So here the middle of the crystal layer is called as a junction. So this is called a PN junction diode. Okay na? So already yesterday I told p-type material have a majority type holes, and next n-type have a majority type electrons. Okay na? So some minority charge carriers are also having a p-type, and some minority charge carriers are also having a n-type. So that minority charge carriers are the electrons of the p-type, and minority charge carriers are the holes of this n-type. Okay na? So this is the PN junction diode. So if you are not applying any battery or any external voltage, that is called a PN junction diode when unbiased. Okay na? So this is the diagram of PN junction diode when unbiased. So here this diode are also having anode and cathode, and here we are combining both p region and n region of two materials, that is p-type silicon material and as well as n-type silicon material. So both are having a majority and minority charge carriers, right? So both p region and n region are having a positive charge carriers and negative charge carriers. So both are attracted, right? So both are attracted, moving to this electrons of n region to move to the p region, and the holes are moved to the n region. So here one uncovered region is presented, so that region is called as a depletion region. So then moving to these electrons and holes, the n region of this side the negative charge is presented, and next the p region side the negative charge is presented, and n region the positive charge is presented. So these two are in neutral, so that's why here the potential barrier is presented. So the difference between the two potential charge is called a barrier potential. So the barrier potential is also we are denoted as a V naught Vf or V naught Vf or Vr. Okay na? So that is called a barrier potential. So the barrier potential is the difference between the two these potential charges. Okay na? So here the some electric field is presented. Okay, so this is the operation of PN junction diode when unbiased. Mainly the PN junction diode when unbiased, mainly we have three main points we are remember that. First one is diffusion, and next one is depletion region, and next one is what is potential barrier. Okay na? So these are the main 3 points of the PN junction diode when unbiased. So unbiased means if here we are not applying any external voltage or any battery are not connected to the PN junction diode. Okay na? So this is unbiased. So the what is operation of this PN junction diode? The majority charge carriers and for p region and n region of holes and electrons move to the one region to another region. So here the diffusion of process is occurring. So then and next if we are diffused to the majority charge carrier, so here the unwanted region is presented. So this region is called as a depletion region. Okay na? So this is the unbiased when unbiased of the operation. Okay, so these are the point already I told. Okay na? So next barrier potential, already I told you barrier potential though denoted as a V naught. So here we are using the some materials, semiconductor materials, right? So what are the examples of semiconductor material? Already I told na, silicon and germanium. So battery potential I am indicating as V naught, right? So the barrier potential of it presented volts at 0.6 volts for silicon and 0.3 volts for germanium. Okay na? So these two main semiconductors of material we are using in the diode operation. Okay na? And next our today topic is biased PN junction diode. So biased PN junction diode means we are externally applied the voltage and we are externally applying a one battery to the diode of the anode and cathode. So here we have a two types of biasings are presented. First one is the forward bias and next one is the reverse bias. Already you know what is forward and what is reverse. Here we are applying the a positive charge to the anode to cathode, that is forward, and here we are applying the negative charge to the diode, that is reverse. Okay na? So what is the process of this forward bias and what is the process of this reverse bias? Now we know. Okay na? So first one is forward biasing. So these are the circuit diagram of that forward biased. Okay na? So here we are connecting the positive terminal to the anode and next negative terminal to the cathode. So here we are, this is called a forward biasing of the circuit. So see here the actual circuit of this forward bias. So here we are taking the one diode and next here we are taking the one resistor. So okay na, here in the circuit diagram we are taking the resistor to flow of the current. Okay, and next here we are connecting the anode to the positive terminal and next cathode to the negative terminal. So this is the basic circuit of the forward bias of PN junction diode. Okay na? So and next this is the forward biasing voltage, the what is the operation occurring in the while we are connecting the battery to the forward bias. Okay na? So see here, when external DC voltage is connected in such a manner that a P region is connected to the positive and N region is connected to the negative of DC voltage, then biasing is called a forward biasing. Already I told na. So positive terminal is connected to the anode and next negative terminal is connected to the cathode. So that is the forward biasing. So the negative of battery pulses the electrons against the barrier from N region to P region, while positive battery pulses holes against the barrier from P to N region. Okay na? So same operation occurring in the when unbiased of the PN junction. So same operation kuda ikkada alane untadamma, but here we are connecting the positive terminal to the anode and next negative terminal to the cathode, right? So ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి, so here p type have a majority charge holes and n type have a majority charge electrons, right? So these holes are a positive charge carriers and these holes are a negative charge carriers. So here we are connecting the positive to the positive and next to negative to the negative, right? So here then the flow of current is easily to flow to the diode, right? So ఏంటి ఇక్కడ, here we are applying positive to positive of the charge carrier. So this majority charge carriers go through this junction to the p type and next this this inside we are connected the negative charge to the negative charge carriers. So then the voltage we are applying negative, right? So the current is I mean the majority charge holes are moving to the p type. So then the depletion region layer is narrow, means the reduced to the depletion region anamata. Okay na? So then here the flow of current is easily flown by this forward bias of this PN junction diode. Okay na? So here this silver color indicates the holes, and this red color is indicates the free electrons. Okay na. So here means we are applying the positive to positive charge carriers and next negative to negative charge carriers, then moving through the junction. So here the depletion region is reduced, means already here we have a, here the depletion region is presented, thus unwanted depletion region is presented. So unwanted means uncovered means enti, so remaining of majority charge carriers are not allowed to flow this region. So okay na. So just this depletion region is uncovered. So some distance of the electrons and some distance of the holes are attracted to uh, uh, move to junction and connected, or one layer is presented. So and then another remaining majority charge carriers of holes and electrons are not moving to this region. So then this region is uncovered. So here also some of the holes and some of the majority charge holes and majority charge carriers are moving to p type and n type. So here we are applying the forward biasing of condition, then this depletion region is reduced, means the narrow depletion region is presented. Okay na. So and next this forward bias of the p-n junction diode having a less resistance amount. Okay na. So here we are using the one resistor in the circuit diagram, right? So that's why here the low resistance of the occurring. Okay, and next this is the, already I told this p type of holes are moving to the n region, and next so sorry, so ikkada manam p type and n type తీసుకున్నాం, but in the figure the reverse of the regions we are taken, it left side we are taken n region, and next right side we are taken p region. Okay na. So in this p region of holes is moving to the n region, and next n region of the electrons are moving to the p region, then the very small depletion region is presented. Okay na. So this is the forward biasing. So the forward biasing we are connecting the diode, already in the introduction of diode already I told na, diode is acting as a switch. Okay na. So here the switch is acting, means the switch is on, so the flow of current is run by this diode. Okay na. So this is the forward bias of condition when we are connecting the positive charge of carrier is connected to the positive terminal, and next to negative charge of carrier is connected to the negative terminal. Okay na. So this is the forward bias condition. And next reverse bias. So reverse bias of p-n junction diode, the reverse operation of this forward biasing. Okay na. So same, so this is reverse bias. Okay na. So here we are connecting the positive majority charge carriers of the electrons is connected to the holes to the negative, and next this is the cathode is connected to the positive. So this is the reverse battery we are connecting to the p-n junction diode, right? So that's why here the biasing is called as a reverse biasing. When we are see some points, when external DC voltage is connected in such manner that p region is connected to negative and n region is connected to positive of DC voltage, then biasing is called reverse biasing. Okay na. And in the reverse biasing, negative of battery attract holes in p region, and positive of battery attract the electrons in n region away from the junction. So what is the meaning of this point? Means if the both are attracted, but here is the point, attract the electrons in n region away from the junction. Why the electrons and holes away from the junction? Means here we are applying the anode terminal is connected to the negative, and next here the cathode terminal is connected to the positive, right? So both are different, so not same charges we are not connected. So that's why here the n region of the electrons are moving away from the junction anamata. So away from the junction, and next this p region of holes are away from the junction. So that's why the depletion region is increased. So are you understand what I am told the point? Here the we are applying the cathode to the positive, and next anode to the negative. So different terminals we are adding. So that's why the p region of the holes are moving away from the junction, and next this n region of the electrons are moving away from the junction. That's why the depletion region of the width is increased. Okay na. So this is the reverse biasing, and this reverse biasing of the, it has a high resistance, okay na. So in the forward bias it has a low resistance, and in the reverse bias it has a high resistance. So see here, this is the circuit of the reverse biasing. So here also we are taking the one resistor, one cap resistor we are taken in the circuit diagram, and next here the diode we are taken and connected the cathode to the positive and next anode to the negative. So this is the circuit diagram, and next this is the PN junction diode of this diode, and next this is the reverse bias, right? So then the diode is acting as a switch, right? So here the switch is open when reverse bias is applying. So and next ఏంటమ్మా ఇక్కడ, సో p type having a some majority charge carriers and some minority charge carriers also. So already I told the p type is the majority charge carriers are the holes, and next minority charge carriers are the electrons, and next n type is the majority charge carriers are the electrons and minority charge carriers are the hole. So in this reverse biasing, some little bit of current is flown by this reverse bias of PN junction. Anybody told me why the little bit of current is flown by this reverse biasing of PN junction? Anyone? Hello?
Resistivity ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి మ్యామ్.
That is
రెసిస్టివిటీ
not proper answer.
ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పారు మ్యామ్, రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది దీనికని.
When the flow of current is flown by this diode, డయోడ్ నుంచి కరెంట్ పాస్ అయినప్పుడే అప్పుడు ఆ రెసిస్టర్ నుండి కరెంట్ అనేది పాస్ అవుతుంది. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఏమని చెప్పాను, రివర్స్ బయాస్లో కనెక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు అసలు ఐ మీన్ ద ఫ్లో ఆఫ్ కరెంట్ అనేది ఉండదు. జస్ట్ ఫార్వర్డ్ బయాస్లో కనెక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడే ఎలా మనం పాజిటివ్ని పాజిటివ్ కనెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నామా, నెగిటివ్ కనెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి జంక్షన్ సైడ్ అట్రాక్ట్ అవుతాయి అనమాట హోల్స్ అండ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్. సో అప్పుడు ఏంటిది, కరెంట్ అనేది పాస్ అవుతుంది. బట్ ఇన్ ద రివర్స్ కండిషన్లో ఏంటిది, బోత్ ఇన్ టర్మినల్స్ ఇన్ ఆపోజిట్ అంటే పాజిటివ్ నెగిటివ్ అండ్ నెగిటివ్ని పాజిటివ్ కనెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. అప్పుడు ఏంటిది, మనం కరెంట్ అనేది ఫ్లో అవ్వదని చెప్పాను. సో బట్ ఇన్ ద రివర్స్ బయాస్ ఆల్సో, బట్ సమ్ లిటిల్ బిట్ ఆఫ్ కరెంట్ ఈస్ ఫ్లోన్ బై దిస్ డయోడ్. హౌ? ఆల్రెడీ క్లూ ఇచ్చారు మీకు ఇంతకుముందు. ఎనీవన్? నో వన్. ఓకే. సో ఏంటి, పిఎన్ జంక్షన్ డయోడ్ ఆపరేషన్ మొత్తంలో మనం 3 మెయిన్ పాయింట్స్ గుర్తుంచుకోవాలని చెప్పాను. ఏంటమ్మా, ఒక డిఫ్యూజన్ ఒకటి, డిప్లేషన్ లేయర్ ఒకటి, అండ్ పొటెన్షియల్ బ్యారర్ ఒకటి. సో డిఫ్యూజన్ ఏంటి అని అంటే, పి టైప్ నుంచి ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ అండ్ ఎన్ టైప్ నుంచి హోల్స్ అనేది మూవ్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి, అట్రాక్ట్ అవుతుంటే జంక్షన్ అనేది ఫార్మ్ అవుతాయి. అక్కడ ఒక లేయర్ ప్రజెంట్ అవుతుంది. దట్ లేయర్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ డిప్లేషన్ లేయర్. ఓకేనా. సో ఇన్ ద డిప్లేషన్ లేయర్ ద మిడిల్ జంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ది లైన్, the p side negative charge is presented, and next in the n type positive charge is presented. So the neutralize about the electric field another. So appudu entidi, so the difference between these two charges, that is called as a potential barrier. Okay na. సో ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పాను కదా, రివర్స్ బయాస్లో సమ్ లిటిల్ బిట్ ఆఫ్ కరెంట్ అనేది పాస్ అవుతుందని. సో ఎలా అని అంటే, సో ఇప్పుడు పీ టైప్లో సమ్ మెజారిటీ ఛార్జ్ క్యారియర్స్ ఉంటాయని చెప్పాను, సమ్ మైనారిటీ ఛార్జ్ క్యారియర్స్ ఉంటాయని కూడా చెప్పాను. సో దీంట్లో కూడా ఎన్ టైప్లో కూడా some majority charge carriers and as well as some minority charge carriers is presented. So in the p type, minority charge carriers is the holes, right? Sorry, electrons, right? So appudu enti negative charge untadi. So this negative charge is connected to the negative charge, right? And next in the n type we are having a minority charge of the hole, so positive charge carriers is presented. So then this positive charge is connected to the this positive. So this way this minority charge carriers is moving towards the junction. So that's why the sum of the little bit of current is flown by this reverse bias PN junction diode. So okay na, are you understand my point? సో ఎలా రివర్స్ బయాస్లో లిటిల్ బిట్ ఆఫ్ కరెంట్ పాస్ అవుతుందమ్మా. సో here the p type are having a some minority charge carriers and n type are also having a some minority charge carriers. So that minority charge carriers are both are connected to the same terminal of the battery. So here that minority charge carriers are attracted to the junction, and next this PN junction diode of the reverse bias are allowing the some little bit of current. Okay. And next in the reverse bias, if you are increase the voltage, I mean if you are increase the external voltage, then the diode is damaged.